Hey, Mike,
Yeah, Renee.
it's time to get ready.
Ready for what?
For our new segment where we feature Goldwings and the people around the world that ride them.
Welcome to Goldwing of the Week. Hey, do you want to be Wing of the Week?
Then leave a comment below. Meet our new Goldwing riding friend, Keir. Keir comes to us from the north.
Way north.
Yeah, you could say that. He comes to us from an area from the Labrador, Newfoundland area.
His closest city being St. John's,
So Keir was in the market for his first Goldwing.
which we can all agree is the quintessential touring motorcycle of all time.
So let's check out this 1985 GL 1200 Limited with only 53,000 miles. So Keir managed to find one that was for sale, but for sale as is. Not running, not charging,
Flat tires.
the works.
But he was confident in himself that he could get this machine running.
So he decided to trailer it up and take it home.
Worse for worse, he figured he could just part this thing out and make his money back.
That's true.
So Keir figured out that he was the sixth physical owner of this motorcycle, but the third registered owner of this motorcycle.
And that's because the last three owners couldn't get this bike running.
Sounds like a problem.
Well, maybe for a lot of people, but not for Keir. So it turned out the voltage regulator in the alternator kit was never wired. Hence, it wouldn't charge.
Well, that's not going to work. Plus, the starter solenoid was disconnected, the tabs were broken, so he had to zip tie that in place.
He also purged the gas out of the tank and got himself a new battery.
And of course, he took care of the obvious things such as fuel filters and oil filters.
He checked the bearings and greased the front wheel. He had the rear tire removed and installed a new rear tire, and he serviced all of the rear components. And hey, it fired right up. But there was one little issue.
As the previous owner mentioned, there was a loud ticking sound coming from the left side of the motor. So Keir suspected that the bike leaning on its kickstand for the last 2 years might have something to do with a stuck lifter.
So he tossed in 400 milliliters of seafoam engine treatment and ran the bike for 20 minutes, and the ticking completely went away.
Who would have thunk? Now, if you look real hard, you might notice that the top box is a different color than the rest of the bike.
Hey, that just brings the gold to Goldwing.
So he's still working on this bike. It's still a project. It needs a little love. The radio doesn't work. Needs a little paint.
Well, he got the mirror taken care of, and I know he spent a ton of hours chrome polishing this baby. And better than yet, he got it back together in time to go on a run with a bunch of his friends.
And that's what really matters.
Keep logging those miles and smiles, Keir. We're hoping to see you out there on the road. Thanks for being our Wing of the Week this week. So we'll check you out next time, everybody.
See you guys later.